7 more than x. Okay, write it down as algebraic expression. Who want to volunteer? 7 more than x. Sama na to translate into algebraic expression. Okay, 7 more than x. Unsa may but pasabot ana? 7 more than x. Mas dako ang 7 kaysa x. Okay, so how to translate into numerical? Okay, kay algebraic expression na yun siya. Mas dako, more than. Okay, more than 7, more than x. Okay, sige ako i-answer una. Okay, so x plus 7. Okay, so that is how to translate into algebraic expression. Okay, ikaduha. Okay, number 2. 5 less than 3 times x. Okay, ang 5 na less than 3 times x. Okay, so translate into numerical expression. Okay, this is algebraic expression, ma'am. Okay, 5 less than. Pag may less than o minus 5 less than 3 times x. 3 times x. 3 times x. What is the answer? 3 times x. Ano ba? 3 times x. Ano nga? Less 5. Less. Okay, pag may less, minus 5. Okay, so let's simplify. So 3 times x is 3x minus 5. Okay, so mana na siya. Dali ra. Ano siya na to? Pag may more than, positive. Pag less than, negative. Okay. So 3x minus 5. Okay. Next. 3 times ba o 9 times? Saan nakasuwat sa inyo guys? 9. Sige, ano na lang na to 3 times? Wako kita. Okay. Sige mo rin maghapon. Okay, number 2. Okay. Number 2. Okay, sige. Jennifer is... Saan siya? Akong basahon, be. Basa ka tanan. Jennifer, ready? Go!
Jennifer is 3 years old.
Okay, years old.
Claire is 5 years old older than Jennifer, and Helen is 7 years younger. What is the total of their age?
Okay, so Jennifer is K years old. Okay, so let K. Okay. Dila atong tubutan, let K is the age of Jennifer. Muna edad ni Jennifer. Okay, ang ikaduhang ano is Claire is 5 years older than Helen. Okay. Unsa may ato algebraic expression? 5 years older than Helen. Claire is 5 years older than Helen. Jennifer. I'm sorry. Claire is 5 years older than Jennifer. Nalipat na dito. Okay, so Claire is 5 years older than Jennifer. Okay, sige. So may ato algebraic expression ana ninja. Okay. Diba? Mas maguwang si Claire og 5 ka tuig kaysa ni Jennifer. Okay, so K older. K plus okay, plus 5. Mo na si Jai age ni kisa ni age ni
Jennifer.
The age of Claire. Sakto ko? No, Claire. 7 years younger. Na si Helen, mas manghud o 7 ka tuig. Okay. Unsa man ni siya? Si Helen, manghud og 7 ka tuig kay Jennifer. Okay, so again, kay younger, unsa may papasabot na mas manghud? Positive minus. Okay, minus. Okay, minus 7. So, mo ni siya age ni, isa ni siya age ni, age of Helen. Okay, sige. Nanatay algebraic expression. Okay, so only have our algebraic expression for the age of Jennifer, for the age of Claire, and for the age of Helen. Okay? For the age of Jennifer, K plus 5 for the age of Claire, and K minus 7 for the age of Helen. Okay. What is the total of their age? Okay. Unsa man kuno pila man ang total sa ilang edad. Okay, so we're going to add total man. Okay. So, okay. Sunod. Kini sa edad ni Jennifer, total man. Plus sa edad ni kini Claire, K plus 5. Okay. Nya plus age ni Helen, K minus 7. Okay. So nanatay algebraic expression sa total age for the 3 girls. Okay, so simplify. Okay, saan natin ang pag-simplify? I-add ang parihang na terms. Okay, so pila man siya? Ha? Pila man na? Kini. K plus K plus K. Pag may K-square, that is, if you multiply, diba, ang exponent, i-add mo. Addition man is dyan, mga step. K plus K plus K. So, this one is equivalent to 1. Okay, so, pilang ni K plus K plus K. 3. Oh, 3K. Okay, 3K. Kini. Positive 5 minus dyan. And then, minus 7.
Negative 2.
Oh, very good. Negative 2. Okay, so mo siya ang total age sa tulo ka girl. So that is the total age. So 3K minus 2 years. Ha? English, ha? Okay, so 3K minus 2 years. Okay, sige, number 3. Okay, atong basahan may number 3. Kini si Max. Sige, Max. Sige, ready? Go, Max.
Max building supply charges 30,000 Philippine pesos per pallet of house bricks.
B.
Plus a single delivery fee of 4,500 Philippine pesos.
Write an algebraic expression to represent this information and use it to calculate the cost of buying 4 pallets of bricks from Max.
Okay, so si Max Building Supplies nag-charge dyan 30,000 Philippine pesos per pallet of house bricks. So, pila sa yung charge niya? Pila? 30? 30 dito guys? 30? Okay, so 30,000 pesos. Okay, per pallet of house bricks. Nya, plus delivery fee of 4,500 Philippine peso. Okay, so we're going to make maghimota og algebraic expression to represent this information. Okay, so na ay 30,000 nya na may per pallet house bricks multiplied by B. Okay, ang B mo represent the number of pallets. Okay, if you like to use X, it's okay, diba? Variable na lusod dyan. Okay, If you want to use Y, it's fine. Okay? Bila gigamit sa quarter. Okay. Plus, okay. Plus a single delivery of 4,500 pesos. So, mo na siya. So, this is the algebraic expression. Okay. Now, may given the ikaduha. Use it to calculate the cost of buying 4 pallets of bricks from Max. Okay. So, naade ay 4 ka pallets. So, isubstitute na to. Okay. So, 30,000 times 4 pallets. Okay, so plus 4,500 na delivery fee. Okay, so pila man na siya. Cost of buying 4 pallets. Pila man. Calculate niyo guys. Pila man. Pila man yung 30,000 times 4. 30,000 times 4. Pila man? Ha? 30,000 times 4. Picnic. Naisa yun. Pila ka zero?
Ay po.
Oh, no. Tanaw mo to. 30,000 times 4. So, without using calculator, na ay 4 ka zero.
12,000.
Yeah, 4 times 3. Pila man?
12.
12. So, pila man? 120,000. Diba? In case of we're not carrying calculator, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 times 3. Wow. Okay, so yan. Nalakas sa yun, no? 120,000 plus 4,500. Okay, so pila man yun siya? Yan. Pila man ang cost? So, 124,500. Okay, so the cost of